Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 35 most important and best English phrases for speaking English fluently. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First phrase is long time no see. It is a phrase which is used as a greeting when you haven't seen someone for a while. Second phrase is piece of cake. We usually use this phrase when something is too easy to do. Third phrase is on the ball. This phrase is used for someone who is alert and quick to respond. Fourth phrase is break a leg. This phrase is used when you want to wish someone good luck. Fifth phrase is bite the bullet. This phrase means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation courageously. Sixth phrase is you're pulling my leg. You can use this phrase when someone is teasing you or just joking with you. Seventh phrase is get a grip. This phrase means to control your emotions or behavior. Eighth phrase is a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, which means that it's better to have something that is certain than to risk losing it by trying to get something better. Ninth phrase is don't judge a book by its cover, which means that don't judge someone or something by its appearance. 10th phrase is it's a small world. This phrase is used to express surprise at how people or things are connected in unexpected ways. 11th phrase is it's raining cats and dogs, which means that it's raining heavily. 12th phrase is a penny for your thoughts, which means that a way of asking someone what they are thinking about. 13th phrase is better late than never. This phrase means that it's better to do something late than to never do it at all. 14th phrase is actions speak louder than words. This phrase means that what you do is more important than what you say. 15th phrase is two heads are better than one. This phrase means that two people working together can come up with better ideas than one person alone. 16th phrase is put your money where your mouth is. This phrase means that back up what you say with action. 17th phrase is you can't have your cake and eat it too. This phrase means that you can't have everything you want. 18th phrase is a picture is worth 1,000 words. This phrase means that an image can convey a lot of information more effectively than words. 19th phrase is when in Rome do as the Romans do. This phrase means that follow local customs and traditions when you are in a foreign place. 20th phrase is you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. This phrase is used as a way of expressing mutual benefit. 21st phrase is the early bird catches the worm. This phrase means that those who act early and decisively will reap the rewards. 22nd phrase is it's not rocket science. You can use this phrase for something that is not difficult to understand. 23rd phrase is the ball is in your court. This phrase means that it's your turn to take action or make a decision. 24th phrase is make hay while the sun shines. This phrase means to take advantage of an opportunity while it lasts. 25th phrase is a washed pot never boils. This phrase means that time seems to pass more slowly when you are waiting for something. 26th phrase is ignorance is bliss. This phrase means that it's better not to know about something unpleasant or difficult. 27th phrase is don't put all your eggs in one basket. This phrase means that don't risk everything on one idea or plan. 28th phrase is let sleeping dogs lie. This phrase means that don't interfere with a situation that could become dangerous if you do. 29th phrase is you can lead a horse to water but you can't make it drink. This phrase means that you can provide someone with an opportunity but you can't force them to take it. 30th phrase is the proof is in the pudding. This phrase means that the final results will reveal the true value of something. 31st phrase is practice makes perfect. This phrase means that the more you practice, the better you will become. 32nd phrase is every cloud has a silver lining. This phrase means that there is always a positive side to a negative situation. 33rd phrase is all is fair in love and war. This phrase means that there are no rules in matters of the heart or in times of conflict. 34th phrase is an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This phrase means that eating healthily can help prevent illness. 35th phrase is where there is smoke, there is fire. This phrase means that if there are signs that something is wrong, there is usually a reason for it. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.